Do you like wild and off-grid camping? Would you like a solar solution to renew your 12-volt energy use? Falcon have a solar solution to meet your needs. Falcon can supply a solution for you to make your own energy. The kit comes complete with all that is needed for a simple installation. Our solar system can recharge your leisure battery, replacing the energy used and keeping your battery in top condition out of season. You can purchase as a DIY solution. Comes complete with simple instructions and a easy to follow DVD manual. If you do not wish to install the kit yourself, then why not let us do it for you? Come to us for free fitting and free overnight camping. Showers and full facilities are available.